seu sucesso. Aumente o volume. Aumente o volume. DJ ALISSON. Aumente o volume. Aumente o volume. Aumente o volume.
You always wanted all I want. I only wanted a job. And I was worth for a living. How am I gonna get through? How am I gonna get through? I come here looking for money. Got to have it. Ended up leaving with love. Oh, now you've left me with nothing. Can't take it. How am I gonna get through? How am I gonna get through?
I bought you drinks, I brought you flowers, I read your books and talked for hours. Every day so many drinks, such pretty flowers. So tell me, what have I done to deserve this? What have I done to deserve this? What have I?
Since you went away, I've been hanging around. I've been wondering why. I'm feeling down. Went away. It should make me feel better, but I don't know how I'm gonna get through. How I'm gonna get through. You always wanted me to be something I wasn't. You always wanted too much. Oh, now I can do what I want to forever. How am I gonna get through? How am I gonna get through?
At night the people come and go. They talk too fast and walk too slow. Chasing time from hour to hour. I pour the drinks and crush the flowers. What have I done to deserve this? What have I done to deserve this? What have I?
Since you went away, I've been hanging around. I've been wondering why. I'm feeling down. You went away. Did you make me feel better? I don't know how I'm gonna get through. How I'm gonna get through.
you're feeling. Tell me what's on your mind. I know I could break you down, but what good would it do? I could surely never know that what you say is true. Here I am in silence, it's a game I have to play. You and I in silence, with nothing else to say. I wanna know what you're thinking. There are some things you can't hide. I wanna know what you're feeling. Tell me what's on your mind. feel fine and I feel good. I'm feeling like I never should. Whenever I get this way, I just don't know what to say. Why can't we be ourselves like we were yesterday? I'm not sure what this could mean. I don't think you're what you seem. I do admit to myself that if I hurt someone else, then I'll never see just what we're meant to be.
when my crimes will seem almost unforgivable. I give in to sin because you have to make this life livable. But when you think I've had enough from your sea of love, I'll take more than another river full. Yes, and I'll make it all worthwhile. I'll make your heart smile. Strange love, strange eyes and strange love. Strange love, that's how my love goes. Strange love, will you give it to me? Will you take the pain I will give to you again and again? Will you return it? There'll be days when I stray. I may appear to be constantly out of reach. I give in to sin because I like to practice what I preach. I'm not trying to say all my way. I'm always willing to learn when you've got something to teach. Oh, and I'll make it all worthwhile. I'll make your heart smile. Will you return it? I'll say it again. Pain, pain, will you return it? I'll say it again. Pain, pain, will you return it? I'll say it again. Pain, pain, will you return it? I won't say it again. Strange love, strange eyes and strange love. Strange love, that's how my love goes. Strange love, will you give it to me? Strange love, strange eyes and strange love. Strange love, that's how my love goes. Strange love, will you give it to me? Strange love, strange eyes and strange love. Strange love, that's how my love goes. Strange love, will you give it to me?
This is not the first time you tried to get away. This is not a party where people know your name. This is not a classroom with teacher at the board. This is not a cat show with prizes at the door. Go, don't you go. Won't you stay with me one more day? Ooh, if we get the room one more night. If we get the room one more night. This is not a horse race where winners beat the time. This is not a funeral with mourners in a line. This is not a sitcom where everything's alright. This is not a prison with terror through the night. Go, don't you go. Won't you stay with me one more day? Ooh, if we get the room one more night. If we get the room one more night. This is not the first time you had to get away. This is not a party where people know
It's hard to say
around the world. The medium is in retreat. The power is here and packing some heat. Sell your soul to a holy war. Set the captive free. We make no promises anymore, but it isn't fooling me. Heart like a wheel, turning away from anything that's real. Heart like a wheel, changing in time, beating cold as steel. You can't keep the wheels turning anymore with anger, blood and fear. Or make any friends with an M16 when you blast your way through here.
DJ ALISSON.
DJ ALISSON.
O melhor DJ do Brasil.